Hey everyone, in this short tutorial I will show you how to turn cotton pads into a waterproof, survival, camping fire starter. So the items for these projects are the cotton pads, candles, can be any size, any color, knife to cut them, lighter, fire, and then some sort of peelers. First thing, you need to prepare the candles just to fit them into the container. Here's just an example of the candles I used before. The preparations are pretty simple, just remove the wick and anything else that you're not going to melt in the pot. Non-stick baking paper is great for this job. All you have to do is just align all the pads before. As I will be working with hot wax, important to wear gloves and eye protection. I like to use a metal bowl just in case the wax is gonna spill out of the pot. I found the nose peelers very easy for this job. Just to dip the pad into the wax for 3 seconds, that's all it's need. Once the wax pads cool down, they're nice and solid and you can actually store them in a container. Great addition for a survival kit, camping or fire pit. In this example, I'm just going to show you how I actually use it for my barbecue. Again, I was very impressed how easy it was to make them and how useful they are. Here I'm just doing a little experiment. I want to see what's the average time that I'm going to get from every pad. So to get a good result, I tested 4 of them and one I actually used magnesium. I wanted to see if that pad maybe will burn longer or maybe will extinguish quicker. As I am doing this experiment outdoors, I was impressed as it is a windy day and it was very easy to light the pads. So pretty impressive, 7 minutes burn time in the wind. Next I wanted to test the waterproof qualities of the pads and I dipped it in water for 30 minutes. And that's after 30 minutes. And now I'm going to try to light it. And this time I'm going to try and light it with a different fire steel. And we have fire. That was actually very easy and it's a great kit. You don't need a lighter, all you need is the waxed pads and the fire steel and you're all set. If you like the video, please click on like, subscribe or drop me a comment below. See you next time.